My name's Tom. Yep. I'm one of the founders of Local Taste of the City Tours. We're right now at Cafe Roma.
Yep. Yeah, sweet spot.
Yeah. So you're probably going to have one of the best coffee drinks you ever had here.
Okay.
But the good news is you're going to learn how to roast it by seeing the roaster up close.
Yeah.
Then, for example, you can see parts of the neighborhood, including North Beach Bakery, which has these amazing 130-year-old brick ovens. So the fun part is we go to the back of the bakery and see the breads made and see the ovens.
Wow.
So then we're going to be having chocolate, one of the top artisan chocolate makers in the city, learn how it's made.
Yep.
Pasta, from the only place in the city to get pasta, Pinocchio.
Yeah, okay.
And of course you got to have cannoli in San Francisco.
Yeah, right.
And there's only one place to get it.
Yeah.
Stellar Victoria, that's it.
Okay.
Anything else is not cannoli.
Click here, be sure to look at all the different destinations and activities that we have on offer and find yourself an amazing guide today.